Hi, I'm Mandy, and today I'm going to show you how to set up Git-credential-store on WSL. First, you're going to want to go to the Git-credential-manager GitHub page and download the latest .deb package. And while that's downloading, go to your GitHub profile, go to the top right, Settings, and we're going to create a personal access token. Go to Developer Settings, Personal Access Tokens, Tokens Classic, create new token, generate new token. Example, you can set expiration for whatever. Okay, give it whatever privileges you want it to have, and generate token. Now copy this value for later. We will want that. Open a terminal to your downloads. Run sudo dpackage I and then the name of the package. So gmc linux amd. Boom. Okay, and now that that's done, Git-credential-manager configure. Okay. So now go back out to Documents into a Git repo that you have already cloned, and we're going to see there's no changes, and let's see what it says. Okay, it's saying we need to export this variable, so we're going to get out of this and export this variable equals cache. Okay, now try again. So device code or personal access token. We're going to do personal access token, so click 2. Enter the token. We have it copied. Okay. Now git push, and it works. Great. So just to confirm, let's make a change. And it's pushed. If you enjoyed this demo, please hit subscribe, boop the like button, and ring the bell. Also, if you have any questions or other remarks, feel free to interact with me in the comments section. I'm Mandy, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.